Hey friends, it's Baci and welcome back to Bacis Learning Land. Hey friends! Hey JP! What are you doing? I'm writing a sentence. A sentence? What do you have so far? Oh, I've only gotten to a dog. A dog. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Thanks. That's so kind of you to say. But I want to do a better sentence. Oh, I can help you. Can you help me too? Thank you. Okay, let's think together. So, a dog. Well, it doesn't really tell me much about the dog. Yeah, it doesn't really say much about the dog. What can I add? What about an adjective? An adjective? What's that? Well, it's a word that describes, in this case, the dog. Maybe fur color. A descriptive word. Yeah, okay, so a fur color. What about if we choose between brown, black, or blonde? That's the color of the fur sometimes. Okay, so pick a color of the fur. What about brown? Okay, so what would the sentence be? A brown dog. Okay. There it is. A brown dog. A brown dog. Okay, I'm all done. Well, you can make it better. I can make it better? How? Well, what if it does something? Something? Like a verb. Oh, if I add a verb, I remember what verbs are. Verbs are words that are action words. It's telling us what the thing is doing. In this case, maybe running. Yeah, maybe the dog is running. Yeah, okay, so all together, that verb goes like, a brown dog runs. A brown dog runs. Look, it's running. Okay, I think we could do better. I think so too. What about an adverb? An adverb? What's that? It's a word that describes how the action word is doing. Okay, so we have to describe the action. In this case, the action is running. So how is it running? Fast! Yeah, maybe we could say fast, yeah. So, a brown dog runs fast. Way to go, Baci. Thank you. A brown dog runs fast. It looks silly. It does look silly, doesn't it? Where is it running? Where is it running? We gotta add another verb. A verb? We gotta add another noun. You made a mistake. I did. It's okay. We all make mistakes. I meant to say noun. Okay, that's okay. Now, let's go with this together. We're gonna add another noun. But what's a noun? A noun is a person, place, or thing. A person, place, or thing. So our sentence is, a brown dog runs fast. And now we could add maybe a place. Maybe where it's running, the location. Yes, somewhere where it's running. Maybe where do dogs run? A park. A park. They run at a park. Yes, they can run around at a park. So what if we write, a brown dog runs fast at a park? Yes, that's it. Oh, we did it. That's a super sentence. Let's read it again. A brown dog runs fast at the park. Hey, we did fantastic. Thank you so much for helping me, and thank you, JP. I couldn't have done it with you, friends. And I hope to see you soon at Baci's Learning Land.